Greg. So we've got a little bit of a break when it comes to the winds.
Yes.
Good news there.
Yeah, good news for today. Yeah, that all changes tomorrow, though. We will have some very strong winds to deal with beginning tomorrow morning, in fact. So you'll need to be prepared for that. It will be a very windy day, and we're talking about that critical fire danger that will stay with us as well. So let's get you on out and talk about that right now. The wind alerts that we will have going into effect tomorrow morning. This is the high wind watch that we have right now. We could see some gusts. You can see up around 60 miles per hour. I think we'll definitely be over 50 in many locations, especially west of I-35W as we go through the day tomorrow. So that's one thing that we do have to deal with. We also have the fire weather watch in effect, the very low humidity, the drying vegetation out there. And again, those strong winds could fan any flames that we do see in a big way as we head into tomorrow. So definitely keep that in mind as well as we go through the day tomorrow. And we do have that critical fire danger that we're going to be dealing with for Friday as well, with the strong winds, again, that dry vegetation along with the low humidity out there. So that's how Friday is going to look for you. It will be a much different day out there for us with those strong non-thunderstorm winds that we will have to deal with for tomorrow. In fact, as we look at the wind forecast heading out for tomorrow morning, we'll probably already see some gusts up over 30, maybe 35 miles per hour. But notice, especially out to our west, well over 50 in many locations. We will be approaching that as we get closer to the Metroplex. Winds will begin to die down some as we head into the evening. Still breezy, though, I think, as we start the weekend before those winds begin to relax a little bit more for us as we get on into Saturday night and Sunday. So just be prepared for some strong winds that we're going to have to deal with, and we'll have that blowing dust around for tomorrow as well. Now we'll have the clear skies for you this morning, 56 degrees. Winds, again, very light out there as you head out the door. We'll have upper 40s heading out to Plano and Wiley, along with Arlington right now at 49, 57 getting out to Weatherford. So it's going to be a mild start. Those temperatures will warm into the 80s as we go through the day. 86, maybe 87, Dallas over to Fort Worth today, and those low and mid 80s elsewhere. So as we wrap up the week, still going to be in the low 80s tomorrow. A very windy day, as we just talked about, a little cooler, but still mostly sunny. Lighter winds on Sunday will be in the lower 70s. And as we look at that 14-day forecast for you, temperatures will stay on the warm side as we head toward St. Patrick's Day. We're going to be right back into the upper 70s and low 80s early next week before those temperatures do cool down once again. And we'll have some more rain and storm chances down the road. All right, one more check on traffic. Back over to Brianda.